Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to download and install this Picarto security bot that I created. So we're going to go ahead and Google FudgePop01 Picarto security bot. I'm going to go to this page right here, this GitHub page. Then we're going to go to the releases page, or release. Version 1, it at least works on my machine. Great. I'm going to download the zip file, open her up, and unzip it. Extract all. Great. Okay, so this is the content of the folder. You'll find a config folder with a bunch of files and a bundle.exe. Bundle.exe is the actual program. So if we try to run that, we'll get this, but we want to run it anyway. And it says your username here and immediately crashes. That's because it didn't have the proper setup. So we're going to go into config and go into this keys.json file. I'm using Visual Studio Code to edit this, but you can basically use whatever text editor you want. So I'm going to enter my username, and it also wants a token. Now this token is the API token specifically. So to set that up, we're going to go into Picarto auth.picarto.tv/clients. What we're going to do now is we're going to add a client. We're going to name it whatever, or whatever you seem fitting. Give it a description, and for the redirect URL, enter HTTPS. Make sure it's https://picarto.tv. www.picarto.tv, just to be safe. And then you're going to add the client. I'm going to cancel it though. I'm going to cancel it. Thanks, Picarto. Alright. Going to go back then. And now you should be at this page, this registered clients page. And what we're going to do is go into our newly created registered client. Going to edit it. I'm going to see the client name, description, redirect URL, client ID, client secret, and persistent access token. This persistent access token is what you want here. So we're going to go back into our keys.json, going to enter the token here, and we're going to save the file. Great. And now, when we launch it, it should actually work. Great. Here's my whitelists, then the authentication successful message. That means it's in, it's up, and it's running. So I have another user here, a special guest, if you will, FudgePop01. Whoa, welcome him, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so that's just me on the VPN. It has to be a VPN so I can actually test the bands. So what I'm going to do is show you what the different config files do. So we're going to open all these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Open them up in Visual Studio Code again. So we have blacklist, whitelisted users, user warnings, and banned users. For ease of access and presentation, I'm just gonna bring these around. I'm gonna set the banned users here, user warnings up here. Great. So you have blacklist here, user warnings, banned users, and whitelisted users. So what I'm going to focus on right now is the blacklist. The blacklist is where you actually configure what things are actually banned, so automatically deleted or what have you. So the warning by default is .warn me. This stuff just allows me to actually test them. So if we wanted to ban someone saying butts, for instance, we can do that. And because it's already running, we can do this while the stream is up. So going back into the Picarto chat, we're going to enter butts on my device, and it immediately is removed. Please tell me it didn't crash. Good, it didn't crash. Alright. Going to change this to something else. I'm going to test that. Something _else. Great. And I received a warning in chat, it was immediately removed. And we see buts, we also see something else here. Now this tolerance is how many times I can use a warrant word without getting banned. So let's go back to warn me, just to demonstrate that it automatically bans me. So I'm going to type .warn me. And I've been banned by FudgePop01. Oh no, what a shame. So we're going to go ahead and unban me after we just take a look at the banned users.txt file. So we can see the username of the person who was banned. We can also see the reason for the ban, more than twice, and we can see the timestamp of the ban. This is a Unix timestamp, don't worry about it, it's mostly just for like administration purposes. Alright, so see that everything incremented properly. See that the tolerance worked, great. And we can see that I was notified here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is unban myself. FudgePop01. And we can see that the text file was cleared. And that everything else stays the same. So great. Now what we can do is test the ban. So I'm going to do .ban me. Great. And we can see that I was banned for using the word/phrase ban me. This is a whisper notification. I figured it stands out a lot better than this. So we can see everything is cleared once again. It worked. And we have the .shadow ban me. We can see that that worked too. We can see that I've been banned for using the phrase shadow ban me. And we can see that it is in fact a shadow ban. Alright. So now I'd like to show you the whitelist. The whitelist is also updated whenever a chat message is sent. So FudgePop01. I'm going to put that in the whitelisted users. I'm going to try and use the ban me command now. And we can see that I am above the law now. I'm going to delete that just to prove that it works. And and it worked. Great. Alright. And I've been unbanned. Great. Everything worked. Great. And we can see that the blacklist worked. Alright, something advanced you can do before I go is use regular expressions. This is very powerful for capturing things that people might do if they want to try and be sneaky. Like, if you wanted to prevent them from saying anything at all, you can just do this. Because you hate everyone. So, my message was deleted for the use of /.*/. That makes sense. Anything. We can see that I incremented correctly, and yeah, so that's that. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know it may not be as great as my other ones, but I figured it best to get this out there now rather than later, because I know some Picarto streamers have some trouble with people doxing other folks in chat and stuff. Yeah, not fun. A better video should be coming out later this week. I tried editing it with 3 different softwares and finally found one that I think I like. If you want to support me in my future endeavors and developments, you can do so over at patreon.com/FudgePop01. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you later.